Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around, allowing you to see this 2013 Ford Escape up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Stock number is 7228. Take notice of this Escape's exterior condition. Absolutely impeccable. No dings, no dents, no scrapes. This vehicle comes and has had a 150-point vehicle inspection, meticulously gone over. Of course, Carfax reporting on all of our used inventory. This is the SCL edition, of course. And taking a look at this Escape, we're going to put you inside the driver's seat. Now keep in mind this vehicle has absolutely low miles, only 38,000 miles. Leather, loaded, tons of room for the family, friends, maybe taking a trip. Great visibility with the moonroof. And impeccable, like new. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. That's the sunset commitment at no extra cost to you. For more information on this vehicle or any other vehicles we have in our inventory, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you, earning your business, and for you to save. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.